Welcome to the Silicon's Brain Computer Interfaces. This is the first time Silicon's Brain providing you 3D printing facility, where you can turn your designs into reality. You can imagine anything, whatever you want it of, and we will provide your 3D printed parts into your footsteps. Additive manufacturing is a way beyond you think. It is the coming future, the world of robots. You can imagine anything. Imagine your favorite design or make a design on a computer. Or we are also providing you CAD services. We are here to turn your designs into reality. If you wanna 3D print anything, you can contact us through Facebook, YouTube, and we have also provided you our WhatsApp number. Order now and we will provide you 3D printed parts into your footsteps. That's all. See you next time. Silicon's Brain.